Hello students, so I'm just sending you this video because on my list you are showing as someone who's going to be presenting live in class tomorrow. So I just wanted to show you how you're going to go about sharing your PowerPoint. So once you're in our online classroom here, you're going to go to the bottom corner and open the Collaborate panel. I will set you as a presenter, and that's what you need to be able to share your PowerPoint. So once I set you as a presenter, you'll be able to come in here, you go to Share Content, and then you go to Share Files, and then you add your file by clicking this button here. And then from there, you can search which file it is you're going to upload. So for example, I'll just click this one here, pretend that's my PowerPoint. You're going to see it upload here. And it's going to convert. And then once it appears, this is the one I uploaded. You click the Share Now button, and that will share your file. Okay, then you can control how you go through your PowerPoint. This is a bad example because it's just a picture. Let me just open a PowerPoint here. There's a button that shows you how to go through your PowerPoint. Just at the bottom here, so you click this next slide, so you can take yourself through. Now you need to make sure that you have your mic and your camera on for when you present tomorrow. Otherwise, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.